It's 6 a.m. and we're here for breakfast. So it's a buffet. So let me just show you what all they have. So they have these pancakes, then there's sausages, there's chicken wings, and then there's mushroom on Shabbi's plate as well, and bread also. And Shabir has ordered a mixed veggie omelette, and there's watermelon juice as well. So starting with sausages. It's nice. It's not very like plain. They've added some flavor to it.
They've cooked the sausages.
Yeah, they've cooked it. Chicken wings. It's basically cooked in the same style, both of them. And then there's the pancake, of course. Oh, it's a tad bit sweet.
I think they brought in some fruits right now.
Okay, they've got some fruits there, which will get it.